Hello everyone. Today I came with a new topic of MA/MSc Geography second year students, and its name is Models in Geography. So in today's lecture we will learn about models in geography. So let's begin to our lecture. Let's understand about the models. The term models has been defined differently by different geographers. Differently by different geographers. In the opinion of Skilling, a model is either a theory, a law, a law or hypothesis, and as well as structure of ideas. Most important from the geographical point of view, it can also include the reasoning about the real world by means of relation in space or time. It can be a role relation or an equation. In the opinion of Akoff, just a second. In the opinion of Akoff, a model may be regarded as the formal presentation of theory or law using the tools of logic, set theory, and mathematics. According to Heng-Siang and Page, any device or a mechanism which generate a prediction is a model. Accordingly, modeling, like experimentation and observation, is simply an activity which enables theories to be tested and examined critically. Let's see the significance of model. Geography is a discipline which deals with the interaction of man-nature's relationship. The Earth, the real documents of geographical studies, however, quite complex and cannot be comprehended easily. The Earth surface has a great physical and cultural diversity. In geography, we examine locations, climate, soil, vegetation, agriculture, landform, and as well as minerals, and also spatial distribution and their utilization by mankind, which led the development of cultural landscape. So geography is a dynamic subject, everyone know about that, as the geographical phenomena change in space and time. The subject matter of geography, for example, the complex relationship of man and environment. Complex relationship man and environment. Man and environment can be examined and studied the scientifically by means a hypothesis, models, and theories. Hypothesis, models, and theory studied the scientifically. The basis aim of all models. The basis aims of all models is to simplify a complex situation and the render it more amenable to investigations. Let's see the needs of modeling in geography. Geographers are interested in making laws and theories in their discipline, like those in physical, biological, and as well as social science. Model is a device for understanding the vast interacting system comprising all humanities and its natural environment on the Earth's surface. A model based approaches is often the only possible means for arriving at any kind of quantification of unobserved or unobservable phenomena. Models models help in estimation, forecast, simulations, interpolation, and generation of the generation of data. The features growth and density of population, use of land, intensity of cropping, migration pattern of population, industrialization, urbanization, and growth of slum may be predicted with the help of such models. These are very useful in the forecast of weather, change the sea level, change the environmental pollution, change the climate, soil erosion, forecast depletion, and as well as evolution of landform. Models helps in describing, analyzing. Here you can also read this. Models help in describing, analyzing, and simplifying a geographical system. Locational theories of industries, zoning of agriculture, land use pattern of migration, and stages of development of landform can be easily understood and predicted with the help of models. So geographical data are enormous, and with every passing day these data are becoming more and more difficult to understand. Modeling is undertaken for structuring, exploring, organizing, and analyzing the obtained enormous data. Exploring, organizing, analyzing the obtained enormous data through discriminating pattern and correlation. So models help in improving the understanding of causal mechanism, relationship between micro and macro properties, micro and macro properties of a system and the environment. So model provide framework within which theoretical statement can be formally represented and their empirical validity then the put under the scrutiny. So models provide the linguistic economy to geographer and social scientific who understand their language. So model helps in building of theory, general and specific law. So in the next lecture we will discuss about features of model. So I hope you understood about the models, significance of model, and why need of modeling in geography. So in the next lecture we will discuss about the features of models. So thank you, student.